Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by isolating power. Disconnect the battery negative terminal and wait 3 to 5 minutes to clear SRS capacitors. Once done, remove the lower dash trim and steering column covers using plastic trim tools to avoid scratches. Keep fasteners organized so reassembly is simple. Make sure you have the correct BMW start/stop switch module and Torx drivers. A multimeter helps verify connections. This prevents damage and ensures the car's electronic modules won't register faults while you access the button assembly. With the trim removed, depress the connector retention tab and pull the plug straight out to avoid bending pins. Inspect the connector for corrosion or bent terminals. Then remove the mounting screws securing the start/stop switch, keeping track of any foam gaskets or alignment tabs so the new module seats correctly. Fit the replacement in the same orientation, compress any foam seals, and tighten screws snugly, not over-torqued. Reconnect the electrical plug until it clicks. This ensures a solid contact and reliable signal to the vehicle computer. Once reinstalled, reattach trim panels and reconnect the battery negative terminal. You should test by pressing the start/stop button. Verify illumination, accessory power, and engine start sequence. If warning lights appear, scan and clear codes with an OBD2 tool and retest. Many faults reset after proper installation. If problems persist, check connector continuity with a multimeter. Confirm the replacement module part number matches OEM specifications, and inspect wiring harness pins for damage. This quickly isolates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.